Everybody, hold on tight. Fun time is the happy hour. As we take you on this journey, fun time is the happy hour. It's never been easy. Meet your favorite celebrity. Fun time is the happy hour. Everybody, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh. Chop knuckle with Chriso. Original Thunder Show, yeah. Chop knuckle with Chriso. Make you see that, make you hear how they go, nah, nah. Chop knuckle with Chriso. Original Thunder Show, yeah. Chop knuckle with Chriso. Make you see that, make you hear how they go, nah. Oh yeah, mama, papa, make you hear how they go. Brother, sister, make you see how they go. Comedian for your favorite show. Footballer for your favorite show. Musician for your favorite show. Oh yeah, sit down, make you jolly, make you hear how they go. Chop knuckle with Chriso. Original Thunder Show. Chop knuckle with Chriso. Make you sit down, make you hear how they go. No, no.
My people, I greet all of you now. Boy, girl, mama, papa, sister, brother, uncle, auntie, all of you now when you're allergy, pastor. Even if you be a Luo person, no while all of us be Nigerians, all of us be Africans, and I greet all of you now. I say now welcome to yet another episode, another program, on our Bunga program. What we call Chop Knuckle with Chriso. My name still be Chris Inhuwa. This is a program we bring to our viewing pleasure. We talk about different parts of Nigerians. What do they do? And this is the program we call Chop Knuckle with Chriso. Today we get better Obunga sister for the house. I for no like to let her the secret, but it is important make her let her so that we can amount the salivator so you would call them. And when they prepare on our mind for who we get today. I don't go tell her name. As I talk usually and as I do usually, I know we'll let you know who the person be. Now the person by himself will let you know what in her name be, or what in her name be, or what in their name be. And when I don't forget, for our program, we do like three different things. And the first one will be the first part of the program. Now we call now who he be. When we come out, we'll take short small break when we go market. We will do now who he be. That one we say we will talk what you know about our sister or our brother or if they be twins. We'll talk about them. When we come back, we'll come talk with them we say now one-on-one with this person. When we call our personal person. After our personal person, we'll come to take another small chickeny break. Enter, come see the work when the person don't do. Now what they call report card. For report card, we see what our sister don't do, see what our brother don't do, see what our brothers don't do. What did they do? What they do? How they did one? Whether they do well or not to go no. We can't find out whether they pass or they fail. But as I talk, nobody then ever will say in fail for report card. My people don't go anywhere. When I come back, we'll continue. But when we come out, the next thing we will see now a small market, after market, and I will see now who he be. No go anywhere. When I welcome. My name is Chris Inhuwa. When I don't begin the watch, Chop Knuckle with Chriso. With the call.
A female gender.
A female.
How is it?
A profession. What does she do?
Gospel artist mainly.
Okay.
Gospel artist mainly.
Alright.
She get nice shape, you know that. She get better shape, you know that. Then she did. I don't know that the makeup show, but come let's say she did fair. But they suspecting that the makeup.
She did fine. She talk and you talk she dey sing rock gospel, but she do one kind Beyonce like that.
You sabi, if you describe her complexion, how she be, you know?
Yeah, she did a little bit fair.
Fair.
A little bit.
Like you, I be like.
Yes, kind of like me. No, you wear makeup now.
That lady, if she sing, your mind go blow.
Oh,
I swear.
yeah, daddy.
If she sing, your heart go cut. And she can't define John beautiful.
Beautiful inside and outside.
Outside, they sing better. It means say better than inside you now.
Hey, my people, no verse. My name is Chris Inhuwa. I've been a rock one better music when my sister sing. I don't want to tell you anything about that music. But herself, she could tell you now. You don't need that time go unveil the masquerade from inside the house. The difference is say women need to wear masquerade, at least not from this part of town. But this one, he said that masquerade in her own way. Now when she reveal herself, now we know what they talk. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, one day for house. Make I introduce you now to my own guest for today. Fine guest. My people, I beg, make she take her own mouth, welcome herself for on top our show. Ladies and gentlemen, my guest in the house, Chop Noko. Welcome. I beg, see what people, tell them who you be.
My name is Brenda Patrick, or normally the one where they give me the bomb is Shana, I like Podia Ifogali. But the one where they use for stage now Brenda Patrick. Nice meeting you guys.
Wait, that name, wait, tell that name again. I like Podia.
I like Podia Brenda Patrick. Nine be the other name.
No, that the
I like Podia Ifogali.
Meaning, no confuse person for you now.
I like Podia means say, me enjoy life.
Mm-hmm.
The Ifogali na fittest gift.
Which language be that?
Isoko.
Isoko, no be so they talk if Peking do bad things. Metipo well, no be.
Metipo well.
Then which one I learn again? Or do
Make a boy your way.
You say which one that one?
If I use my slap.
If I use my slap. I don't slap anybody. My people, I say I did here with my sister today. Now this one a typical Niger data. You know, say worry not just be ordinary saying now worry. Yes, you reach Urobo, you reach Isoko, and all the other mecheta towns went for that side. So for this today, we get correct original Wafi Babe, what they call Brenda Patrick's. Brenda, Chop Noko again.
I see the hot.
Welcome, I see the hot. Yes, what if we take know you? Now say you dey sing. How this singing thing starts? I be like my brother Amade Fashek. When he wants to done the sing from Bele, and from there you start.
Well, from Bele, I'm not sure, but because I not did that, I don't know it's like
that kind
before Bele, you understand? But the one I know now, from the age of 8, now I start to sing. Not be say I rehearsal, I'll just get that thing a gift. When God always use and take bless us. And not be those normal persons where they go church, they say they won't go rehearsal. I'm not rehearsal, they are not lie. For real. The inspiration just come from bedroom. You know, that kind of thing, person they bath, you know, as a bedroom.
Yeah, you like sing to yourself.
They be like one kind of studio. So now from there we take start. That kind of thing. Now from there, I started at the age of 8. Now 8 years now to start.
Wow.
Yes, reach this time so.
Okay, now you just sing. If Brenda, no verse. I want to know that your native name. I want to call her well.
Ifogali.
Ifogali.
Yes.
If I no get her well, if I see me for street, you could remind me. Ifogali. Good. Now, Ifogali, if you don't be musician, what do you for the do?
I for be business woman now. For they do business in terms of marketing, are good for marketing.
Which kind of market?
Anyone. The only thing is I want to say human being, but the settings. I don't even market this thing there, so honestly, anything marketable.
Now you get people when they say some of them their talent, either football, music, comedy, or whatever. Like Akporo now, you know well. All of us can say you know well. You know from Bele, but you the sing and you say you start from 8. But I want to ask you, Shay, you take style, do any formal training for music? I mean, what you just come from that 8 years old, begin to follow up, 1. And then 2, who be the people when you're and they follow the work for the music parole when you do?
That's when I'm young.
Now,
okay. When I small, that's when I did 8 years. I did stay with my uncle for Ibadan.
So you're Yoruba strong?
Boni. Mowa.
Can you see that?
I know you're the one.
I don't catch you for over there. It's a group for you. A group for Ibadan, but Yoruba don't come. But don't worry, me catch you for Isoko, you will get bullet. Talk to my sister.
So, the thing is, when I did Ibadan, I stay with my uncle, Mr. Pius. That's how they attend the Anglican church.
Okay.
So that's how I did part of the teen choirs, you know.
Okay.
As basically my uncle and I be the reverend, so I just did, you know, I can tell they follow up. So from there on till they grow from there. So presently, as we don't grow reach this stage now, I don't work with so many persons for the music industry. I don't work with likes of them, Prince Michael, that's the guy that actually produced my song, Carry Go.
The guy tried.
The guy good. The guy that finished work. The guy good. I don't work with so many persons like Easy Wills, that's the guy that produced my last single.
Yeah, the first one, yes.
Yes. So I work with so many persons in the I'm just planning on doing, you know, more they do featuring, more they feature people like Tim Godfrey, Unknowns and all that.
See names.
Akpororo, you know,
Apollo decrease.
That's
It
so.
decrease. But it's not increasing next time they make money.
Yes.
And what I did like I'm saying, it decrease, but it decrease with the love of God.
Yeah.
That be the key thing.
Yeah.
Who shoots your last video? And what will be the how they put that now? What will give you that inspiration to do that music when you did do the video too?
The inspiration behind this Carigo song, now the impossible made possible. So that time for life, I dey face stress big time. When I would start this musical career self, professionally, I started in 2014. Now I start. You know, that time stress for life not easy, and that time I had to graduate from school.
Sorry, which school?
I go Delta State University.
Abraka.
Abraka.
What do you study?
I studied what they call law now study. Why I dey forget what I study? See me see trouble.
No, well, like, it happen. When you can't lie, someone get for studio, they don't fry person head. Sometimes they forget my name,
I lie.
You forget. I forget my name sometimes. Leave that thing. Leave
I
that
studied
thing.
law.
So you study law.
Yes.
Now you be the second person when you don't come here now as my guest when study law. The first person, our sister too, like Passions Bosse. He said study law, but she don't enter comedy now, and she's doing
Well.
very well. Now you said study law, you don't enter music, and all things being equal, all T's crossed, all I's dotted with the hammer.
That's so.
Okay, quick one. You study law. Why you no practice?
Well, I don't lie. I'm not just getting interest with practice. Really, not be say. I'm not just getting interest. I just feel same. I follow my passion. I follow everything I like. Right from time, if not be anything, but I supposed to study theater arts. But Popsy, I won't get barrister for us. I need barrister. I need all these kinds. And I say okay. Give what to Caesar, what to God. And I say, okay, Daddy, I won't give you your own now. I don't already give you your own. Now my own, I won't.
We still here with my sister, Ifokali, Brenda Patricks, for Chop Knuckle Ukruzo. When I don't go anywhere, we they come back now. We just take a small market, powder our nose, drink small water. We they show now. Brenda, put on here.
That's it.
Bang out, Chop Knuckle. We come back. Yes, my people, we still day here with our one and only Ifogale Brenda Patrick. Again, I say welcome to Chop Knuckle. Yes, as we dey go and as we dey hot, tell us who you go say for this your music career and industry and work and everything. Who you go say be your mentor? Who you dey look when you see the person you go dey fear say, I want to do like this person.
I don't lie, bros. I don't get mentor.
You no get.
I don't get.
You just stand by yourself.
I just dey.
And you be your own statue. My people, when I go, they believe say maybe she dey form, she no dey form. Get
really
when you
matters,
say
though.
they go day. People go want to fold their hand. What do they want to do? They just hold their hand by themselves. Say, Chris, they work out, they go. Now me and you, and they pale for up. Then go see the whole. You say my pikin they go. I dey your corner. What did they happen?
Soft.
Carry go.
So
So you believe say, as you do your own thing, your own style, your own way.
My own way. Yeah, I actually have. I get people when they look back.
Yeah.
But I don't feel really tell you who them be. But now me know that one.
You know that one.
You understand? But I not get mentor. I not get real matters. I not get.
Okay, we want to do the one they call your report card. But before we go see your report card, I would like make you. They call them Android children. I mean, our children these days. This is when we grow and slate we use. They can't bring iPad now. An Android phone, Android this, Android that. We call them Android children. Our children only for us when they grow. Some of them won't be like Brenda Patricks. I still remember that you forgot it. I see the sweet me pass. You forgot it, Brenda Patricks.
Yes.
Which advice you get them? Anybody who would like be like you, who would like to do music career, music activities, music, that kind of thing.
Now when will I be like me? I will tell them say, "Mona just a push on. No allow anybody talk you down. Encourage people when they encourage you. Not go day your side. They listen to people when they encourage you. Not you listen to people when they tell you nonsense. You understand what I mean, right? So Mona just they not be quitter. Mona not they quit. Mona they forward ever, backward never. They always they look there's always a brighter picture. That's not what I get telling now. Forward,
Nice,
a way
nice.
forward.
Forward.
That kind of thing.
What do you mean forward for Isoko?
If I tell you so I know it for good.
Anyway, you say that but don't agree. Okay, what do you mean forward for Yoruba?
Iwaju.
Ma tẹ̀síwájú. As my governor will talk, he will say ìtẹ̀síwájú ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó lójú wa lójú. The progress of Lagos State that should be our priority.
Yeah.
Man, no go anywhere with the come. We'll go pad our nose, drink more water, do exercise, quite more power. When we come back, we will meet again. But don't forget, when we come out this time, I will see report card.
This is a dangerous group that we're dealing with now. Big nations.
Say what, anything can happen. Say what, anything can happen. Say what, any miss kilo happen. Say what, any miss kilo happen. I bring you up. I'm taking over now. I'm coming with the fire of the, I'm coming with the fire of the Holy Ghost. I'm coming with the fire of the, I'm coming with the fire of the Holy Ghost. I'm coming with the fire of the, I'm coming with the fire of the Holy Ghost. I'm coming with the fire of the, I'm coming with the fire of the Holy Ghost. Verse 2, my gallery beating. I'm about to make you move your feet in. Carry go, carry. The message of the Lord will be my papa. I got to carry go, carry. Jehovah for my head like it's my banner.
Nations.
Say what, anything can happen. Say what, anything can happen. Say what, any miss kilo happen. Say what, any miss kilo happen. I'm coming with the fire of the, I'm coming with the fire of the Holy Ghost. I'm coming with the fire of the, I'm coming with the fire of the Holy Ghost. I'm coming with the fire of the, I'm coming with the fire of the Holy Ghost.
Hey, Ifogale. How did he manage? As I see you on top that motor. Feel just I be able to be that in a truck. I been everything.
Na BRT. And me before we climb that place, but
How you manage when they carry you? That lift. I mean,
I fear they push me up like this, you know. Person they up when they pull me.
pull you.
I'm not use ladder. I'm not see ladder. So just gotta do it if you do.
Person don't know the kind of work when they they also say they down. Like carry go this one down, this one. But fear will carry for me be that too. That means they don't say any woman when don't do like man, when they call her man. You try. You see my people, you don't need to be an elephant before you go be relevant. And make you not depend on what you know if you defend. That be Brenda case. So she did day on her own, you do her own the carry go. And we just watch carry go now as it be her video and a few other live shows when she don't do. Tell us your small experience with those live shows. How people they receive you and all the rest, you know, from location to location.
Yeah, they receive well, you know. Most times they surprised say, this girl till they do this kind of thing. She too get energy. She not look at me. I know they lie too.
They do it.
I know they lie.
Say don't give them that. They say they don't.
I light now, not be light.
I know they say.
I know they sniff. I know they.
I didn't know the sound. Put there. What did they carry last?
That's so sure.
Yes,
so most times when they see perform, say, but this girl look calm now. How come she can't get that kind of energy from
energy?
And really, one person they look up to now, that guy. If I feel get that kind boss permits me in case you know that kind of craze, that kind style.
The heavenly craze.
It's finished. Oreno.
Oreno, let me say don't finish,
Finished.
But Kotiton is the equivalent of you never finish for Yoruba language. When we come back after this short break, we'll come look small things when Brenda get to tell us before we round up on her visits on this our personal person segment. We don't go anywhere with the call. Oreno. Yes, my people, I say we're gonna welcome back on when I see the watch Chop Knuckle Krizo and my guest today, my sister Ifogale Brenda Patricks. I don't change the name or other than Brenda Patricks they use it, but I can't add Ifogale Brenda Patricks. A good main person again name when get muscle, name when get surname. Like British pounds when they say that one of the money when get surname. I own a Naira, American and dollar. British pounds, you get surname, you get backbone, American strong. Yes, my sister. Quick one. I want to ask you, what will be the thing when you say you don't do for your performance or say one of your shows when you say shame catch you happy well for that kind of activity. Either your crowd, that person for the crowd, or your own performance. Number one, and then number two, what will be the thing when we say you see this stop you for this your profession? What will be challenges when you get? 2 things I get for you with that.
Okay.
Tiago.
Okay, the thing is the embarrassing moments that I don't get for some time, like for when I perform for stage. One, that day I no fit just forget Tansha in a hurry. It won't make me cry. My shoe pull for stage, as in the soul. I don't know what it do on that day. Let's say one kind of matter do beat the shoe. The shoe not gonna get head again. Me not even know. As I don't say I'm in shoe rack, I just wear. Now I enter stage. Now so shoe. Come open mouth.
By yourself.
Now call they move now. They get to one place. Just the people say, why they get they don't know it at the expense. And for that stage that they sweat. Now my manager from Echo say, show, Brenda, wait till I move now. I say, I'll be flappy. Yes, not be smart. They sweat. You know.
Tell us
so
the
challenges I don't get so far for this musical career, but now money, ban or the pepper. You know, we need money to allow these things they flow. Production and money.
Yeah.
You need tour for radio stations and still cash. You need tour for TV stations and still money. You won't do this one and money. So money is the major challenge you get for.
My people, when they outside there, when I don't see una sister, I don't see una daughter, I don't see una pikin. Whether I'm from Nigeria, I've been from Nigeria, I've been any part of Nigeria when I come from. My sister they talk say to move forward don't be bad thing. A bar and they hold sometimes. So for you to cross bar, sometimes you need bar. So anyhow, I need to support. When I support now, my sister. Tomorrow when it blew now, I will say, yeah, now again. Question me, what do you do to make them blow? When I don't get anywhere, when you come, when we come back, we'll round up a program with Brenda Ifogale Patricks. We'll see them for here and they watch Chop Naku with Cruzo. We is coming. My people, time don't reach again. That time don't reach when the music will talk say, we want to begin a round up the today program, and I keep something here today. Many, more. It don't come. You see, every time we will get guests for house, when you like me, we'll give them something. When you like me, they work out, go empty-handed. That's no good. When they call your place, I arrange them. Now we don't do so for our sister, Ifogale Brenda Patricks. Once so you come on our show, we bless you, we thank you, we say, so thank you very much.
Thank you,
so you come on our show.
Yeah.
Any last word for people when they watch it for our house?
I just want to say, when they wash, keep it locked down here, you know. When I still they watch because this show make brain make sense. So they all started shopping to me if you call it country, it don't make sense. So which I'm going on, so just keep it locked down here. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Ifogale Brenda Patricks.
Thank you so much.
My people, we just take final break. When we come, we'll close. What do you call this? Chris Ihewa. I'm gonna say the watch. Chop Knuckle with Cruzo. Okay, my people, my name is to be Chris Ihewa. And I see the watch Chop Knuckle with Cruzo. Today, our sister come here. That girl when God bless up and down, front and back. Anyhow, God bless her. I would appreciate God say you do well for our sister body. Yes, she don't come, she don't tell us about her story and everything. And we say, we hope so when I learn one thing or the other from what she don't tell us. We couldn't waste too much of our time. Don't reach time we say una do. But before we go, we'll let you know say if you get question, I get anything when I want ask us. When I don't forget, as I just sitting the scroll so when I will get now at for Instagram at Chop Knuckle with Cruzo. The phone number too, if you don't send off WhatsApp or want ask anything, and I go see how. Until next week, next time, next period when we'll see again. My name still be Chris Ihewa. I wanna watch Chop Knuckle with Cruzo.
Everybody, hold on tight. Fun time is the happy hour. As we take you on this journey, fun time is the happy hour. It's never been easy with your favorite celebrity. Fun time is the happy hour. Everybody, oh yeah, oh. Chop Knuckle with Crystal, original Thunder Show. Chop Knuckle with Crystal, make you sit down, make you hear how they go now. Chop Knuckle with Crystal, original Thunder Show. Chop Knuckle with Crystal, make you sit down, make you hear how they go. Oh yeah, mama, papa, make you hear how they go. Brother, sister, make make you see how they go. Comedian for your favorite show. Footballer for your favorite show. Musician for your favorite show. Oh yeah, sit down, make you jolly, make you hear how they go. Oh, tell your brother me they come watch. Tell your sister me they come watch. Oh yeah, tell your neighbor me they come watch. Everybody, oh yeah, oh. Chop knuckle with Crystal. Original Thunder Show. Chop knuckle with Crystal. Make you sit down, make you hear how they go, nah, nah. Chop knuckle with Crystal. Original Thunder Show. Chop knuckle with Crystal. Make you sit down, make you hear how they go, nah, nah. Oh, chop knuckle with Crystal. Original Thunder Show. Chop knuckle with Crystal. Make you sit down, make you hear how they go, nah, nah.